So, hello everyone. I am really happy to have you all in today's class. We can start our lesson today. So, first of all, I want us, as you always know, to play a game, which is for today, Hangman. You remember the game Hangman? Do you remember it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm going to let you guess a certain word, and whenever you give me a wrong guess or a wrong letter, I'm going to draw part of this man. Let's see. Let's see. This is the word. Just throw some letters. Say them.
B.
B. No. There is no B. Just a second, just a second. You also said P, there is no P.
E.
A, yes.
E.
O. O.
O.
No O, no
N.
N, no N.
M.
E. J.
Yes, wait.
H.
I,
F.
go on.
S. F.
S, no S,
F.
just a second.
T.
No,
F.
C.
no T.
C.
F. T.
T, you said
F.
C.
F. D.
Oh yes, you said A, and here we have another A.
Camera.
Yeah, so this is the first word. Now, is it an easy or a difficult word? Oh my God, this is how we draw in country.
It's easy.
Okay, let's see another one. It's going to be not hard, but it's going to be okay, a bit different. Let's see. Yalla, go on. Just a second, let me write it down.
D.
Wait.
S.
O.
عشان أسهل على هذا. Okay, so again.
A.
S.
A, wait, you said A.
Yeah.
كلها صارت من
Yes, okay, go on.
M.
M.
D.
Wait, no M.
T. T.
E.
H.
Wait.
D.
Okay, we have a T, yes.
U.
U, no use. Just a second.
I.
E. Wait, an E.
T.
We have an E.
Declaration.
Yes, oh my God,
Declaration.
you knew it. Declaration. This is correct.
H.
The word is declaration.
Declaration.
Declaration. You know it. I am disappointed in myself. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. So declaration. What does this word remind you of? What does it remind you of?
Declaration.
Yes, the Belfast Declaration. So I asked you to prepare something about the Belfast Declaration. Did you? Did you prepare like a thing?
Yeah.
Tell me, what do you know about Belfast Declaration? Let me see your hands. Can you raise your hands? Raise your hands. Go ahead, please. What do you know about Belfast Declaration?
Can you listen me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, the Balfour Declaration was called the Honest Promise. Until November 1917, someone who called Arthur Balfour issued a document which is establishing a national for the Jews in Palestine. And for this time, the Palestinians have begun to suffer, and they will be so sad after this Balfour Declaration.
Thank you very much, Ria. I'm really happy to hear you saying all these good information about the Balfour Declaration. Thank you. Let's hear it from Ghada. Guys, I'm really happy that you are also participating in the chat. I can see your comments. Go ahead, Ghada.
Balfour Declaration, 103 years after the theft of Palestine, is the promise of those who do not have it for those who do not deserve it.
Good, good, good. And this is what we always hear about the Balfour Declaration, or what we always say, like giving something you don't own to someone that does not deserve it. Let's see, Shams, Shams Surur.
Okay, do you hear me?
Yes.
We all know it as a promise to those who don't have, to those who don't deserve. Last Monday, the 103rd anniversary of the issuance of the Balfour Declaration. It's the letter sent by Arthur James Balfour on November 2nd, 1917 to Lord Lionel Walter, the Rothschild, indicating the British government's support for the establishment of a national home for the Jews in Palestine.
Thank you very much, Shams. I'm really happy to hear you talking about it. And your information are really good. Thank you very much. Or the information is really good. Let's see, Marwa. Marwa Shaqale.
Yes,
Yes, go ahead.
yes. The original letters from Belfast. What?
Yes, we can hear you,
The
Marwa.
original letter from Belfast.
كمل يا
Okay.
بني.
Uh, the original letter from Belfast to Richard's child. The declaration reads: His Majesty's government view with favor the establishment in Palestine of a national home for the Jewish people, while use their best endeavors to facilitate the achievement of this object, it being clearly understood that nothing shall be done which may restrict the civil and religious right of existing non-Jewish communication in Palestine.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm really happy also to hear you talking about this matter. Let's see Reem Ramlawi. Reem.
A promise don't possess to those who don't deserve.
Yes, thank you very much. You made like a summary for the whole declaration by saying these words. Thank you very much. And let's see Ghada Iyad. Ghada, unmute يا Ghada. It's okay. Okay.
بس أنا حكيت أول إشي لما حكيت غادة أول إشي جاوبت.
I'm sorry. Okay, because they have many Ghadas in the names, so this is why. Let's see Uhud.
The Balfour Declaration is a message that Britain gave to the Israel people to grant them the land of Palestine, as it considers a land without people for a people without a land. I consider that promise bold because Britain don't have the right to give Israel the land of the Palestine.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Rahud. I'm happy to hear your own opinion about it as well. And lastly, we will hear from Arish because it was her
Yeah.
suggestion in the first place. Go ahead, Arish.
We were removed from our homeland. However, we planted one. We planted our homeland in us.
Thank you very much, Arish. Thank you. I'm happy that you suggested this in the first place, and I'm happy to have you all guys talking about this issue and this matter. To sum up, like for those who, I know that all of you know what Belfast Declaration is, but as a reminder, it was issued in the 2nd of November, 1917, and by the British government, specifically by Arthur Balfour, and it stated, or it promised, the establishment of a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine. Thank you very much, guys, and now we can start with our lesson. So you told me you watched this video. Would you like to watch it before we discuss it today? Would you like to watch it together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For those who, we have 55 participants here today, or 55, where did I go? We have 55 people here today, so let's watch the video together. Here are the videos that I'm telling you, like from the same like channel on YouTube. So let's see.
The mic.
We don't hear anything.
Can you hear
Of
it?
course. No.
No.
طب احكوا لي يا جماعة.
No.
اوكي احكوا لي مش سامعين. اوكي
مس ما في صوت.
حاضر.
مس في عندك مشكلة بالنت وكأنه الفيديو بطيء.
بطيء كتير.
طب اسمع, you watched the video صح? For those who did not watch it.
You have to hide from the bears? I guess.
Okay, so
يوضح.
for those who did not watch it, you can watch it in or you can get the link, sorry, from the Facebook group, okay? So let's see together the questions that he asked you to prepare. So what is the thing that he's describing? What was he describing?
Food.
Let's see.
Food.
He's describing, let's see, Aya Musa.
Yeah. He described the food.
He described food, yes. Okay, so do you agree with the Aya?
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, we agree.
what's wrong with that thing? He described food, so what's wrong with the food that he was talking about?
It's boring.
It's burning?
It was burning.
It was burning, yes, so the food was burning. So, could he say it easily? Could he say it easily?
No.
Let's see,
No,
Sujud
he
Izza,
didn't.
what do you think?
No, he takes time when he remember the word.
Yes, so he took time while he remembered or to remember the word. So how did he describe the thing? This is like the focal point that we have here. How did he describe it? What did he say?
Could I say it?
Just raise your hand or write in the chat, and I want you to give me one thing he described or he said about the food. Let's start with Shayma As-Sahli.
Yes, you need that when you go exercising.
You needed to go exercising. Thank you very much, Shayma. Nada?
Okay, he said, make your heart pumps.
It makes your heart pumps. Yes. لا يا هبة, هذا فيديو من برا أنا متعلق في الدرس عشان last time we said like the guy could not remember the word that he was looking for in the conversation, المحادثة اللي عندكم في الكتاب. هذا فيديو متعلق فيها. Okay. Okay, let's see. Shams Surur.
He said, when you go to the store, you get in your car.
Thank you very much. Yes. Shahid Ali.
Yeah, it's a smell bad and you can't chew it.
You can chew it. Yes, correct. Let's see. Wait. Maryam.
When he said about the birds.
Birds, yes, he said that birds eat it or birds come for it. Not Saja, sorry. Okay, let's see, Arish.
He says something about bears. Birds. I
Yes,
mean, like I don't know. It's
bears.
like
He
yeah,
said
bears.
when you go camping, you hide
Yeah,
it from the bears. So, for example, when you want to describe food for someone, you can say the thing you eat it, or you can just say it's burning, as he said at the end of the video.
at the end.
It's burning, or something you eat it. But instead, he said when you go camping, bears can come for it, or you hide it from bears. So he's still describing food, but in a weird way. Okay, so that's it about the video, I think. Do you have anything else to add?
I have.
Go ahead, please.
He said when you are squashed up like in an elevator or a concert.
Yes, thank you. So when you have, you know the meaning of this, like when you have food in your hand and you are in an elevator, so when it's crowded, the food gets squished, or when you're in a concert and you have, for example, food in your hand, it gets squished because of the large number of people. He also said, I don't know if you noticed this part when he said it's tiny and it's like when you want to get it, it's like, oh my God, no, don't eat me. Do you remember this part? It's like because
Yeah,
the food is
yeah.
small,
He
and
made
when
me
you come
fall.
to, yeah, yes, to fetch the food, it's like how the food views you. So it's kind of weird description, but it's still a description for the word he was looking for. Okay,
And
so
he said you
yes.
can cut it.
Yes, you can cut it into pieces. That's true. So did you like the video? Do you want me to give you more videos like this to watch?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
Yes.
I
definitely.
beg you to
Okay,
please. There's
I will. Okay, so let's see what else we have today. So do you remember this part when the part about describing things that we talked about last time? We said when
Yes.
we want to describe something or we want to ask for a description of something, you say, what does it look like? So for example, if I want to ask it, if I come to Nada or to Seja or someone and I say, so where is my pen? She would be like, what does it look like? She would tell me, what does it look like? I would say, the pen is, for example, this pen, it's blue, pointed, and I don't know, like narrow, for example. So this is how we describe things. These are some adjectives: oval, round, square, pointed, flat. When we say something is flat, it means like a flat surface. Flat, narrow, and the opposite of
مسطح.
narrow is wide. So some other adjectives we have: circle, of course, square. When we want to talk about a square, something that is like that has the square shape, we say square. A rectangle, triangle, oval, we said oval, and diamond. Okay, this is called the diamond shape. Some other things to describe things with, we say, what is it made of? I can ask you, what is your bag made of? And you say it's made of leather, it's made of wood, metal, plastic, glass, paper, or leather. Okay. Now, this is the exercise we left off last time. We said that we have some objects, and we are going to talk about these objects. We are going to describe these objects in their pictures. So, as a reminder, before we get into the exercise, as a reminder, we said when we ask what size is it, we say it's big or small, it's long, short, tall, narrow, wide. What shape is it? It's round, square, oval, pointed, flat, or thin. What is it made of? It's made of wood or metal or plastic. What does it look like? Of course, this is the general question, and you answer with It's a long, narrow, flat thing. And as I remind you, as I told you last time, when we have a noun here, we add the a here before the description or the adjectives. So some other like words to help you with this exercise. We have, of course, if I want to describe this thing, because إنه هو مجسم مش إنه يعني شكل flat عادي, you can just say it's a rectangular thing. This is a ball. Sorry, this is a triangular thing. This is a ball. This is a rectangular thing. هي إذا شايفينهم أنا كاتبة الكلمات هان. A rectangular thing, an oval thing. What do we have? Okay, we have a cube. أنا مثلا مكعب الثلج بنحكي عنه ice cube. What else? We have an oval thing, of course, and we have, yes, these are all. Okay, so I want you to listen, and then we will be doing the exercise, okay? Listen. Just a second.
Give it a try. 1. Describing things. Practice. Listen to the example. Then choose one of the boxes below. Describe it to your partner. Your partner will guess which one you are describing.
There is a big, round, red ball. There is a small blue triangular thing in front of the ball.
It's number 1.
Okay, so did you see what he said? He said there is a big round or big red ball. شفتوا حكينا عن السايز والcolor والshape. Size, color and shape. خليني أكتب لكم بس these 3 words عشان نتذكروا إحنا بنحل. So we have size, color and shape. So we have a round or a big round red ball, and in front of the ball we have a blue, أنا مش عارفة كم بحكي yes عن هذا, a blue triangular thing. Do you understand it? Or a small blue triangular thing. Do you understand the exercise?
Yep.
Yeah.
الاكسرسايز هلا انتوا ايش حتعملوا؟ انا حاعطيكم وقت شوي، حاعطيكم دقيقتين، اختاروا واحد من هدول المربعات واعملوا عليه وصف. تمام؟ You have to make or to create your own description of the box. يعني هذا مثلا كله بدك توصفي عنه. انت حتحكي لنا اياه and we are going to guess which box are you talking about or you are talking about. فبالتالي it's okay if more than one of you picked the same box. The description can differ from a person to another, okay? So you have 2 minutes. Try to make your own description of one of the boxes, okay? Go ahead, think. إذا في حاجة مش واضحة يا جماعة اسألوني في الكومنتس. حاضر يا جنين، اسمعوا المثال كمان مرة.
Give it a try. Describe it to which one you are describing.
There is a big, round, red ball. There is a small blue triangular thing in front of the ball.
It's number 1.
يعني اوصفي كل واحد لحال، بعدين احكي يعني هذا مثلا اوصفيه، بعدين قولي قدامها في كذا كذا. فاهمة كيف؟ مثلا you have a minute. فكروا هاي هستناكوا شوي.
I have done.
It's okay, just wait a second, okay? Have you finished?
No, 1 minute.
Okay. Take your time. مكعب يعني كيوب يا ندى. It's okay يا هدى. اوكي جايز اذا طلعك كل هذا بترجع تفوت على نفس الرابط. اوكي انا هستنى اول ما يفوتنا، اول ما نرجع قصدي نطلع وندخل رح ندخل على نفس الرابط ونبدأ نحل. هو
Hello?
Okay, guys, she's going to repeat. Hala is going to repeat, and you need to listen and try to guess which one she's talking about. Okay? Okay, go ahead, Hala.
Okay.
Please repeat.
It contains big size green ball, also small yellow ball, and small red cube behind the green ball. Which is the box?
Number 7.
Yes.
You're excellent. Thank you, Hala. Thank you. That was really, really good. Thank you. And she talked about, or she was talking about number 7. Let's see, Lama Alwal.
Yes. The box that I choose contain a small brown triangle inside a big yellow ball. Which is it?
5.
Excellent. Is it number 5?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Lama. Thank you. That was really, really good. See, guys, for sometimes it differs from a person to another. Like for me, I would say the triangular thing is in front of the bowl, but for her, she said, no, it's inside the bowl. So this is why I'm telling you, it's okay if you chose the same box or the same picture because it differs from a person to another when describing. Let's see, Malak.
Yes, there is a large orange cube and two other small blue cubes.
Number 6.
Thank you. Yes, you both are excellent. That it was number 6, right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much. Let's see, Dima.
Okay, miss. The books have a orange cube, a big orange cube, and two small small blue cube.
What do you think, guys? Which one?
6.
Number 6. Yes. So we have a big orange or red cube to the left of two small or smaller blue cubes. Thank you very much. Let's see Sarah. Sarah with an H. Go ahead. Sarah. Okay, let's see روان القسي. روان. Where are you guys? Okay, Sarah, you want to talk? Sarah, I cannot hear you. Okay, let's see Mariam. Mariam Adel.
It's a large yellow ball, and there is a small orange triangle in the middle of it.
Can you please repeat because your voice was not so clear?
Okay. It's a large yellow ball, and there is a small orange triangle in the middle of it.
Number 5.
5.
Number 5. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. You did great. Okay, let's see Dua Salah.
Yeah, there is a small blue ball. It's between the triangular and the cube. The triangular is green color and it's small, and it is the left of the pool. The cube also small and it's brown color. And it's in the left of the pool. What's the number of the box?
3.
Yeah, excellent.
3.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I love like when you make conversations with each other. So yes, Dua was talking and then I did not read the name. Who answered number 3?
Me. Reese.
Arish. Okay, so Arish answered and then she replied to her back. Yes, excellent, that's correct. So thank you. I love this kind of conversation. This is what we need in our class. Who did not talk yet? Let's see. I want more people, guys. Nerjas. Go ahead, Nerjas.
There is a small blue rectangular thing in front of a big round yellow ball.
Number 1.
5.
No,
5.
5.
Oh, number 5.
It's number 5, Nerjas.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's see one last participant. Rowan, you spoke, correct? Okay.
No, I'm not.
It's okay, Rowan. I will let you in the other exercise that we have. Hiba.
Okay. There are small yellow cube and triangle and medium green circle. Hello.
Repeat.
Can you please repeat?
Number 4.
Yeah, number 4.
Can you repeat
again?
4.
Yes.
Okay. Repeat or not?
Yes, repeat. أكلتوها للبنت يا جماعة خافت. Yes, go ahead. Repeat, please.
There are small yellow cube and triangle and medium green circle.
Thank you very much. So there is
Number 7.
4.
Number
4. Yeah.
Number 4, yeah.
4.
Yeah.
Yes. So she said there's a small yellow triangle and or triangular thing and a cube because both are small and yellow. And in the middle there is a green round bowl. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. I'm really proud of you. I'm happy with your participation. Let's
Give it a try.
No, sure. Okay, now we are going to have some other objects that we are going to describe. So, for example, let's see these five objects. If I tell you, well, it's a red round object. What do you think I'm talking about, or what do you think I'm referring to?
An apple. Yes.
Yes. So I'm referring to this apple. Yes. When I tell you, it's a pointed object made of wood.
Pencil. Crayons.
Pencil, yes, or a crayon, yes.
Pencils.
Thank you very much. Or coloring pencils. Thank you very much. So now I want you to have a second. I'm not going to give you much time for this. I have another slide for more objects you can choose from. But let's try, have like 1 minute and give me a description for one of these 3 objects. A book, a board, or blackboard, and a bag. Just think of a description. You have 1 minute. جايز قبل ما أبدأ حاضر يا هلا رح أعيدها. بكرة الخميس ما رح يكون في عنا محاضرة وجاهي، بس بكرة تمام. لكن بعد هيك رح يكون في محاضرات، لكن بكرة لظرف معين مش رح يكون في عنا محاضرة وجاهي تمام. وخبروا البنات وحكتب لكم أنا على المجموعة اليوم. Okay, Hala. Okay, I said I want you to give me a description to one of these things, either a book or a blackboard or a backpack. The description should be like this. So if I ask you, what does it look like? What does the book look like? You would describe this thing. If I ask you, what does the blackboard look like? You would give me a description of this, okay? Nada, go ahead, give me a description. Nada, what does the object look like?
Okay, it's such a novel or like a triangle. Have purple, green, yellow, and blue colors.
Bag.
Uh,
The bag. It's
okay,
the
yes,
book.
it's the
Let her,
backpack.
yes, thank you. Let her finish. Yes, go ahead, Nada.
Okay, I finished.
Okay, so it's an oval shaped thing with green, purple, blue, and yellow colors. Thank you very much. Thank you. That was really good. Arish, go ahead. Arish, then Razan.
It's a green thing made out of wood that we can write on it with chalks.
Yes.
Board.
Yes, the board,
The
blackboard.
blackboard. Yes. Thank you, guys.
Yes, excellent.
We also, yes, as Arish said, we talk about the usage of the thing. So, for example, Nada can say, we put books in it, or we use it to carry things around. So you would understand that it's a bag. Yes. Let's see. I said Razan, I think. Yes.
Yep. It's a rectangular brown thing. We obviously read it. It has a red mark and two yellow lines.
Book.
It's the
The
book.
book.
It's the
Yes.
book. Thank you very much, Razan. Thank you. So, okay, now you have this pile of things. I want you to also have like a minute and give me a description of one of these things. So you need to answer. Guys, I want full sentences. So you need to answer the question of what does it look like, or what is it used for? So you can say it's a round thing that we use for playing, or we use when playing. Or it's made of rubber, for example, هو المطاط, rubber. Or you can say it's made of metal. So I want full sentences, okay? Okay, you can have 2 minutes to answer this question. Have you finished?
Yep.
No.
Okay, can have 1 more minute. Okay.
Hangman,
Dr. See one thing?
Excuse me? I didn't. Who is speaking? I did not hear what you said.
Can I?
Wait,
بدي أحكي بس إشي يعني
who are you? Just give me your name, please, because I cannot see your name.
جنين.
Okay, yes, go ahead, Janine.
الحين أنا دكتورة يعني أنا نمت ونسيت إن علي محاضرة أنا دخلت المحاضرة يعني نسيت إن اليوم في علينا محاضرة يعني فكرت اليوم
It's okay, Janine.
طيب
It's
بس
okay.
بدي أسأل على إيه
Ask. It's okay. You
الحمد
can ask.
لله
But next time, please be on time, and please, I want to hear your voice. I want you to speak in my class. Okay? Thank you. Do you want to ask anything?
بس بدي أسأل سؤال عن إيش بتكلم يعني
We are continuing with yesterday's class. We are describing things. So the exercise is you need to pick an object from these objects and you're going to describe it. I would ask you, what does the object look like? You would say it's tall, it's short, it's long, it's sharp, big or small. You can say it's made of metal, it's made of wood, it's made of glass. And you need to answer the question of what is it used for? So for example, it's used for playing, it's used for kicking. Okay? Okay. Let me listen from you. Let's see. Hala. Hala.
Yes.
Go ahead, Hala, please.
It's square and pink. It made from cloth. We use it when we sleep and sit on the sofa.
What is she describing? What is
Pillow.
yes?
Action.
She's describing the pillow. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. That was really good. Let's see. يا مس شو أحكي عن القماش؟ cloth هو القماش. Okay, let's see Malak. I will let you all answer now because I want to hear from you.
Yes. It's made of a plastic and it contains like orange liquid.
Orange
An
liquid
orange juice.
made of
a bottle maybe
the bottle. Yes, so
The bottle.
the orange juice bottle. Yes, thank you very much. Let's see. Nada, did I? No, I did not. Yes, Nada.
Okay, it made of a cloth. Has a pink color, and we use it to sleep on it.
Pillow.
A
Yeah,
pillow.
pillow.
A pillow. Is it a pillow, Nada?
Yes, it is.
Thank you very much, Arish.
Well, it's a short thing with yellow and blue and pink color made of fabric, mostly used for children, especially girls, to play with it.
What is she talking about?
The doll?
A doll? Is it the doll?
Yes, a doll.
The beer.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes. Sujud Azza.
Okay, can you hear me?
Kind of, yes. Go ahead.
Hear me?
Yes, Sujud.
Okay, it's made of metal. It's small. We use this to open the door.
It's used of metal. Sorry, it's made of
key.
metal. We use it to open the door.
Key.
A key. Thank you very much. Sahar الهرباوي.
Close the door.
To open the door or close the door. حاضر يا جماعة. Sahar.
It's made of glass and made for drinking.
It's made of glass.
The cup.
And
we use it for drinking.
We use it for drinking. It's
The cup.
cup.
Yeah.
Is it a cup, Sahar?
The cup.
Okay, let's see Zinat.
Yeah. It's made of a glass used for drink. The color is red.
The
Mug.
The cup.
The red
Cup.
mug. Okay.
Cup.
Yes,
The cup.
this is correct. So here is
It's
the red
mug.
mug. Let's see. Ala Jum'a.
It is brown and red color, used for sitting, made of wood.
A chair.
The chair.
Chair.
Yes.
Is it
Like a
chair?
table.
The chair. This is made of metal, I believe, but this is made of wood. Rizan?
Yeah.
Rizan?
Yes, it's a paste. We use it to clean our tooths. Made of plastic, the outside.
Is this made for? Do you clean you're talking about this object, Rizan?
Is it a color?
Yes,
Thought it was a
I
toothpaste.
believe that
Yeah.
it's like watercolors or like paint.
Can I do something else?
Yes, absolutely. It's okay. Guys, these objects, like, it's up to you what you see them. So maybe now we're just seeing the color palette here. But for the first time, I also, from the first glance, I thought that it was toothpaste. This is why I laughed, because I myself thought that it was toothpaste. But now I'm noticing. Yes, Rezan, you want to describe something,
Yep.
something else? Go
Yeah.
ahead.
It's made of plastic. It's kind of round. We use it to hang clothes and stuff.
What do you think, guys?
The hanger.
This thing?
شماعة.
I can وين في غيرها هي ولا أنا مش شايفة ثواني.
No.
Oh yes, this the hanger. Yes, maybe. Correct. Oh yeah, because أنا عندي إشي مغطيها عشان هيك أنا مش شايفاها. Yes, correct. Thank you very much. Thank you. So جينين عوني. جينين.
It's a green point. It's a green pointed thing. We used it for writing. It's made of wood.
Pencil.
Pencil. Made of wood. It's the pencil.
pencil.
Is it a pencil, Jinian?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Let's see. Mariam.
It's silver. It's made of a plastic or metal, and we use it for combing hair. Or combing hair. What I talk about?
Comb.
Brush. Hair
Comb.
brush.
Brush.
Yes,
Hair
a comb
brush.
or a hair brush. Thank you very much. Thank you. The B in a comb is silent. Okay.
Silent.
Yes. Thank you very much. Okay guys, مين فاتحة من جوال اسمه أسامة؟ يعني أنا إذا قلت okay go أسامة it would be suspicious. So let me just write her. What's your name?
أسوأ حكى.
أسوة. أسوة, is that you? I cannot see your name صراحة. Okay, Narjas, did you answer?
Yes. It takes an arrow shape made of wood and it's used for directions.
Can you repeat, please?
Should I repeat it?
Yes, please. I did not hear it.
It takes an arrow shape made of wood and it's used for directions.
A wood arrow.
Maybe like yes, it's maybe like a sign. So when you are walking, when you're walking in a road
Arrow.
and you see this arrow sign, it shows you the direction that you are going for. Okay.
Yeah.
Miss أنا إلي نص ساعة رفع إيدي. Okay, Sarah, go ahead.
It's around red and yellow color and it's around red and yellow
color and made of plastic, and you play by
Ball.
A
Ball.
ball. Is it
Ball.
a ball? Yes. Thank you. It's made of plastic or rubber. Rubber is like المطاط بنحكي عنه. Okay, guys? Okay. Does anyone else have anything to say? We are almost done here.
Me.
Who's me?
Me.
No, I cannot see. Okay, for those who wanted to answer this question, thank you very much. I'm really happy with your participation. Can you just put your hand down, please? And give me 1 minute, okay? And we will go on with. So I think we are done with today's class. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you very much for attending today's class, and hopefully I will see you on Monday in the university itself, okay? So زي ما قلت لكم بكره يا جماعه فيش محاضره، احكوا لهم للبنات و thank you very much for attending today's class. انا حبعت لكم برضه على المجموعه انه ما راح يكون في محاضره بكره. Thank you and see you ان شاء الله on Monday. Goodbye.